So I got a quick digital street hack for you guys, and it's called Rakuten. What Rakuten is a rebate site where you guys can receive cash back. So if you're e-commerce guys, you want to make sure that you're making money on the front end as well as the back end. So on your front end, whenever you sell a product, whatever your profit is, that's your front end. On your back end, you want to utilize credit cards where you can receive cash back. Utilize Rakuten where you can receive up to 25% back, and you can do this with using merchants that you may already use to fulfill your orders like Overstock.com, Home Depot, Walmart, Amazon, Target. So they work with over 2,500 different merchants. It is a Chrome extension, so you guys want to make sure that that's active every time that you're fulfilling the order so that you can receive that cash back. They pay out every 3 months, so the money does accumulate, so you guys don't want to leave that money on the table. So I hope you guys found this to be helpful. Make sure that you go follow the Real Ways channel so I can continue to bring more real ways for you to diversify your income. Make sure you hit that like button. The link is in the bio.